You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, navigation system, keyless start, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio, remote engine start. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.